KG80L Railway Sleeper Changer Excavator, which is special designed for railway track maintenance project. We have successfully provided our machines to Chinese railway government projects, and Thailand railway government projects, and some other countries. KG80L has a compact structure, atmospheric appearance, stylish and beautiful appearance, more youthful vitality, light operation and good coordination. The machine has the characteristics of high operation efficiency, high construction safety and strong practicability. It is understood that because the sleepers of the railway are made of reinforced concrete, the weight is as high as 400 to 500 kg. The manual pillow replacement operation is slow and the safety is low. The operating efficiency after using the KG80L can reach 20 manual workers. The average each sleeper changing machine can replace 1.5 sleepers per minute, which greatly reduces the labor management cost and improves the operation safety.